What's up, guys? So today we're trying some hot mustard. I got some German mustard in a tube, not toothpaste. Certainly wouldn't want to brush your teeth with this stuff. And I also have a super hot mustard hot sauce. Alright, this one is colon cleaner, which I'm pretty sure I know I definitely had this before, but I kind of feel like I've reviewed this before, but if I have, it was many, many years ago. So we're going to get into this. This is both by the same viewer who sent it to me, so much appreciated. Try some stuff. Today I have my fishing hat on, just because I'm going to do some fishing later, hopefully. And just to change it up, why not, right? I was looking at the same thing all the time. How about a different hat? So we're going to start with the German mustard in the tube here. This one was imported directly from Germany. I'm pretty sure I've had this mustard before. This one is the extra shart, which if you don't like spicy mustard, you might shart just a little bit extra with this one. 100% natural. Alright, this one obviously has German writing on it, so I can't read any of this really. But yeah, it's just interesting to be in the tube. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I've had this before, the English version of it maybe. So you can see it's sealed up, and kind of like super glue or something, there's a, you know, a piercer. Piercer, is that really what you'd call that? I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and pop the top here. Oh, alright. I think we have some, there we go. Oh, cool. It just cut a triangle. Or, yeah, that's a triangle. No, that's a star. A first grader can tell me that. Anyway, so we have some mustard here. I found a wood spoon, so we're going to use that just because. And yeah, just mustard from a tube, directly from Germany. Smells good. Smells like spicy brown mustard. Let's put this top back on before I lean on that and shoot it across the room here. Alright, so yeah, down the hatch. That is fantastic. So wow, it has like a really rich brown mustard flavor, but there's like the hot sensation is very similar to like wasabi or horseradish, something like that, where it's not burning my mouth. It just kind of burned the back of my throat and up through the nose, and it's pretty much done. It's not burning anymore. So if you like wasabi, like I said, horseradish, you know, dressings and stuff like that, you'd probably like this, just in a mustard form. But it's a really, really tasty mustard. I'm pretty sure I've had this before, just not, you know, from Germany in the tube. I've had it in the glass jar. But really, really good stuff. So if you happen to like mustard, definitely worth checking out. Next, this one should burn the mouth and throat and stuff. This is actually, let's see, Soft Crafters is where this came from, the company. It's purchased through Amazon, I believe. This one's good till $2.21, which is good. They got a cool sticker. So yeah, this was just, both of these were purchased on Amazon and shipped right to me. So here's a close-up of this mustard-based hot sauce. Professor Fard Pounder's colon cleaner. New and improved all-natural hot sauce elixir of capsaicin extremis. 5.7 fluid ounce bottle. I like the old-timey style bottle. Looks like an old medicine bottle or something like that. The ingredients are written really small. It says red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, #1 grade mustard seed, salt, white wine, citric acid, tartaric acid, spices and turmeric, yellow mustard, water, mustard seed, oh, that's what's in the yellow mustard, sugar, onions, habanero peppers, garlic spices, and xanthan gum. So the heat is coming from habaneros. You can see, probably through the bottle here, some chunks of those peppers. So yeah, I see some red, I see some seeds. So yeah, give this a shake. And we're going to try it out here. Actually, got to cut the label. I didn't bring my hot sauce knife out. Today's EDC is a knife from Styat Gear. It's a slip joint. Alright, I think it's called the Ledge. Do a review on that soon. I've been carrying it on and off. Alright, the top came right off. Alright, definitely want to give this another shake. Oh wow. It smells flavorful, but it also smells very spicy. I can smell those like fresh habaneros in there. Really good. Wow, alright. I mean, it smells kind of like some kind of a dish south of the border. Like it smells like a prepared meal, not like a hot sauce. I mean, to be honest, it's hard to really even smell the mustard. It just smells like a delicious like enchilada or something. So anyway, let's pour some on our spoon here. Kind of thick. And again, super chunky. That's probably too much to have on its own, but whatever. And here we go, bottoms up. What's it called? Colon cleaner? We'll see about that. Alright, definitely chunks. Ooh. That's hot. Alright, so ooh, lit up. The whole mouth is lit up. Like I bit into a fresh habanero pepper. I'm kind of feeling like that's pretty much it though. It's not going to rise. I'm so used to like these super hots and sauces and stuff. Ghost chili, the Reaper, you know, scorpion peppers. All those things, they hit you pretty hard, but then like they climb and they get hotter and hotter to where it's like uncomfortable. Habanero is up front. Habanero peppers have no secrets. They hit you all at once and that's pretty much it. You just got to ride it out. Like my whole mouth's lit up right now, but it's actually a really nice burn. If you don't like spicy stuff, clearly you're not going to like this. It's spicy enough, you know, where you have to be kind of a chili head to enjoy it. But my mouth's salivating. The flavor is really good. The chunks in here, I can definitely taste and feel chunks of not only the habaneros, but onion as well, which is interesting. I don't think I've had a sauce before that had like chunks of onion in it, but it's very flavorful. I like it. I actually like it a lot. You can definitely taste the mustard, but the mustard's still like in the background. It has like this whole, like I said, kind of an enchilada, I don't know, some kind of a Mexican dish flavor overall, which is kind of weird considering the ingredients. Like my assumption would have been it would have tasted kind of like spicy honey mustard or something, but the mustard is really just well blended in with all those other flavors going on. This is really good stuff. I would definitely put this on food. It has a really funny, comical presentation, obviously, but it's actually really tasty. I don't remember it being like this. I don't know. I don't know if they changed the recipe or what, but that's pretty much it. I mean, awesome, awesome mustard. Really good mustard-based hot sauce. These are two winners. So I really appreciate the person who sent them to me. I mean, thank you. Thank you for letting me try this stuff. It's awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Mouth is already, you know, subsiding. It's I'm writing it down now. It's not nearly as hot as it was when I first put it in. And you know, having it straight like that is about as hot as it's going to get. If you put it on food, obviously it's not going to be as spicy. So that's actually going to be a really, really nice burn to put on food. So definitely recommend it. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.